Hey, Lucky. What's going on today? What are we going to work on today? What are we going to work on today? Are we going to put a backup camera on? Yeah? Want to put a backup camera on the rig? Let's do it. We've had this one for a moment. As you can kind of tell, its box is a little dirty because we've been hauling around and just hadn't gotten around to put it in. It's time to quit procrastinating. Let's get this done. Right here, this is the monitor right here. Size of that screen. Got the mount right here. There is the mount for the monitor. Nice. It's solid. Yeah. Big turn knob, suction plate, right out the way. There's the bracket that goes onto the back of the monitor. Oh, wait, no. The other option for mounting the monitor, if you want to screw it into your dash instead of using the suction. Not really sure which one we're going to end up using. Figure out what works best for us. And here is the camera itself. Nice, heavy duty, rugged. Got the rain guard there, but we will be mounting it in a spot too that's going to help shield it from it as well. Of course, more brackets, more kit options for the monitor here. What kit of anything of any good without a bag full of goodies? The antennas, the power cables, all that good stuff, all in here. We have two options. We have a cigarette lighter power option, or we could hardwire it in as well. Both of those cables are here. And then here is the power wire for the camera itself. Lucky, did you steal my packaging? Did you steal some of the wrapper? You keep an eye on that, okay? All right, so this is going underneath our overhang. It's right up there by the tail light, because we're gonna pop up into there, tap into the power in there. I've got my hole drilled for my wire to go through. See it through here? Now to fish the wire. Quick and easy success. I have two ends of the wire. And testing it right here. Hardwired this in right here as well. Just so I can see that it works and check my placement without having to do the whole hollering back and forth to anybody. So here we go. Everything's hung back. There she is. Put some sealant all the way around it and everything else. Make sure no moisture gets in through there. So I've got this mounted over here because I have like one phone that I use for navigation. The other phone is available as well. It's right here. It's where we're setting this up right now. So I'll be able to look at the mirrors as well as checking it out. It's not obstructing my view of anything. And I've got the wire run down over to here, going down the side where it is now going to be hardwired in. And as you can see, it is nice and bright, and you can see.